Hey guys, welcome back to video number 2. Okay, today I'm going to show you guys the installation that I did on my spark plugs and spark plug wires, and also I put on my rims. So hope you guys enjoy, and here it is. Now that I installed my wheels, I'm happy that I did because it's been on for 7 months. It's been on jack stand. So now I can kick those jack stands out, bring it on the floor, see how it looks, see how it sits. I don't know how it's gonna sit. The V8's a little heavier than the V6, so I'm hoping it goes lower because that's the plan in the future. That's the plan. So hoping it goes lower, and hopefully I can turn this one on. I'm gonna try to turn it on today, so that'll be on too. So that'll be awesome and exciting. I added the oil, transmission oil. I added the motor oil. I put the spark plugs, the wires. Tighten everything up. Make sure I had all my grounds in, where they need to go. I already double checked that, so I mean, hopefully everything's right where I want it. If not, I have to just go back. Now I'm about to start it up for the first time. Hopefully it turns on, and if it don't, well, that's just another bump on the road. And this truck needs to go get el piso la comadre, but hopefully it gets lower. I'm gonna get it lower soon, so because it's a pretty big gap right there, and these tires are too fat, so I want to get something smaller. So just imagine the gap on that, so can't have that. So let's give this first startup a try, and let's see what happens. Vale madre pedo, so it's just another hiccup on the road, so I guess the truck will be in the garage a little longer until I figure out what the hell is going on with this thing. So, well, I guess we'll have to turn it on another day. Peace.